E is for semi-auto, F is for full auto.
Okay.
Get your magazines in, get your gun up, go to. Yeah, fire a couple semi just to get a hang of it, and then go to full.
Offset like just a little bit to the left. Is that
Bob? Yeah.
We're gonna go full after this. After this is fine because we're gonna then just go ahead and break just a few minutes early.
Cool. Thank you. Yes. Okay, now go ahead and slap your bolt forward. There you go. And you go to E.
Yep, we're there.
Okay.
No.
Okay, bolt back. Pull your bolt back. Now swap your magazines. Hit the paddle release. Magazine over. Slap your bolt.
I heard your name too.
There you go.
There's something so wrong about being able to shoot that without